What's going on YouTube? Jason Wicker, the DIY Dad. We are back for another video. This will be a lawn vid. So today we're just gonna do a 4th of July weekend mow, getting this yard nice and tight. If you're looking at this green up here, this was not done by accident. So this green up here, I gotta equate it to probably 90% stress blend. So if you are having problems greening up your lawn, keeping it green, keeping it nice, go ahead and I'll put the link down below. Get the stress blend fertilizer from Yard Mastery. You are going to you're gonna love it. So go ahead and get it. Links below. I'm gonna go ahead and do the mow. I just finished edging. We're gonna get this yard looking tight. The goal today is to see if I can get checkerboards on this front lawn. My neighbors across the street are hosting a party tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to get this lawn super tight, looking real good, and let's see where we get. So we just finished our first pass, looking good so far, but just want to let you know that the blade game is real out here in Indiana. As soon as I started up my mower, my neighbor started up his mower. Starting to hear other mowers in the neighborhood. So it's Friday, July 2nd, blade game time in central Indiana. Let me know where you're from. We're gonna start our second pass, get those stripes burned in, and then we're gonna go the opposite direction, and hopefully I can get a checkerboard effect. So I just want to take a moment to show you the stripes come in horizontal with the house. The sun is behind me, so these stripes are going to pop out the best. And look at that Kentucky blue shine. So there you go. And just imagine, a couple weeks ago, I had this down to 1 3/4 inches. So essentially I scalped it in June, took a Sunjo to it, ripped it all up, and then we're now at this, and it's July 2nd. So proof stress blend is awesome. Another thing that I did was I cut back on my watering from 3 days a week to 2. Same amount of water, so increase the time of watering. I just did it with more days apart, just to let the ground and the grass dry out a little bit. So I think that was a good tactic for the fungus. But I mean, man, this grass looks awesome. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments in below. Quick view of the side yard. I still got to edge all this up real quick, but I mean, look at the grass. That's awesome stuff. And you can see my domination line right about there. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. All right, let's have some fun. So I just told you about Central Indiana's blade game, especially in my neighborhood. Everyone's always working real hard on their lawns. Lawns look great, lots and lots of competition. But between my two neighbors, I think I'm dominating. But hey, tell me what you think. Also, I'm gonna leave my email address below. Post photos of your blade game in my next video. Go ahead and send me an email with some photos, your location, like where you're from, and let's get some of those photos posted up on this Jason Whitaker DIY Dad channel. I told my neighbor across the street that I was gonna show his yard, so let's get a quick look at his yard. All right, we got the kids over there. That's my neighbor. Say hi, neighbor. Blade game, Central Indiana. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up. Jason Whitaker DIY Dad, and I'll catch you in the next video.